Welcome dear friends, welcome once again for your lecture. Today I have got the chance, so I will be taking your revision for current electricity. Overall revision I have named it because many of the points we have already covered, and sometimes for the Google Meet or Zoom meeting, sometimes there is a range problem and all. That's why I thought it is better to deal with all the revision in lecture only. So today I think that will be final lecture. We will conclude this topic, and I know that your IIT exam is also there, IIT Foundation. So for that also these problems, some of the problems will be useful as a practice. Okay, practice worksheets I will see how to deal with that. Okay, so in revision I have found some important question. Okay, first important question comes up with terminal PD and EF. Okay, so first question, IMP. This is subjective, but it is full of information, and that information you may use to solve the MCQs like that. Okay, why terminal PD is less than EMF of a cell. Okay, why terminal PD is less than EMF of a cell. तो मैंने बताया था आपको, क्या बताया था बेटा? मेरा पहले वाला लेक्चर निकाल के देखो. ओके, आई हैव टॉट यू टर्मिनल पीडी मतलब द डिफरेंस ऑफ द पोटेंशियल बिटवीन द टर्मिनल्स ऑफ द सेल और अ बैटरी व्हेन द लोड इज कनेक्टेड. एंड ईएमएफ क्या बोला था? It is the work done by the battery or a cell to move a charge from one point to another point. Practically कैसे करते हैं EMF? It is just the potential difference between two terminals, but when no load is connected. Okay, so if suppose I will connect this cell or a battery in the circuit, this is R, then whatever the potential it will give, that V will be equal to epsilon plus I into R, and where R will be the internal resistance of the battery, that I have explained. Okay, so actually the answer will be due to internal resistance of the cell or a battery. Answer will be due to internal resistance of cell. So what I have explained you are knowing that if you are having a cell, then I told you cathode anode electrodes, है ना, plus minus, and suppose I have connected one resistor, and now once I will see the circuit, how I will go? I will go suppose from negative to positive electrons. Electron will move from negative to positive, and current will be taken from positive to negative. Now if I want to make the complete circuit, the circuit will be complete only when this all path will be complete. मतलब outside the battery electrons will move from negative to positive, current will be there from positive to negative. Inside the battery this will continue. It means that electron will reach this electrodes and then they will travel towards this electrode through the electrolyte. So at this time, I told you the electrolyte is there. What will the electrolyte do? Electrolyte will oppose the flow of electrons, and due to which you will get the internal resistance. And due to that internal resistance, okay, some voltage is dropped to come over the internal resistance. So reason what you can write? Some voltage is get dropped. Drop का मतलब है उधर छूटता है. Some voltage is get dropped to come over the internal resistance. तो बच्चों, I hope you have understood that. I will suggest you to note this down. Let me check whether it is looking correctly, finely. I have made that adjustment. I think that also. Now it is visible, clear. Okay, इसको नोट डाउन। हाँ बेटा, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो जाएगा, हम एडजस्ट करते हैं उसको, अपने आप वो एडजस्ट करेंगे उसको। ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ आपको थोड़ा सा वाइट दिख रहा होगा, लेकिन ठीक है, आ रहा है। ओके, चलो अभी आगे जाते हैं, आगे क्वेश्चन। ओके, next question is about some combinations. Now this year they have deleted many things, but for your foundation syllabus everything is there, because that will be helpful for your 12th class. So I will not omit anything, but everything is important, you must be able to do that. Okay, now calculate the value of resistance X. Problem number 2, IMP 2. Calculate value of resistance X. Circuit कैसे दिया है? One battery is given and it is of 8 volt. Okay, and there is one resistance which is of 4 ohm. After that, there are 3 resistors which are in parallel. Out of that, one is 4, one is 12, one is 6. 4 ohm, 12 ohm and 6 ohm. And here is X. And current is given, I is equal to 0.5 ampere. I is 0.5 ampere. Very interesting question. तो पहले आपको क्या मालूम होना चाहिए? That we will take the overview. First of all, you must be knowing that series connection is there. Then for series, what is constant and what changes? For series, I is equal to constant, and for parallel, V is equal to constant. है ना? For parallel, V is equal to constant, and for series, I is equal to. This is for parallel. Okay, now see, battery voltage given. First of all, let me write the given. V कितना दिया बेटा? V और E 8 volt. I is given 0.5 ampere. Now see, I will first show you how the current will be. Current will start moving from here to here. Here it will get distributed. So suppose I will call this to be 1, I1, this to be I2, दिख रहा है ना? This to be I3, दिख रहा है. This to be I1, this to be I2, this to be I3. They will again come and same will be. So here this 4 ohm resistor. Next 1, 2, 3. This combination of these 3 and X, they are in series. So current will be same. Okay. So current is given. So first of all, I want to calculate R equivalent. So R equivalent will be written as C. 4 plus इसका parallel. So 4 parallel 12 parallel 6 plus X. Correct? And now this you are knowing. Now what will happen? R equivalent, let me calculate. R equivalent will be 4 plus X plus ये कितना आएगा? 4 12 6. So 4 into 12 into 6 अपॉन फॉर्मूला आपको मालूम है ना? R equivalent 3 के लिए R1 R2 R3 अपॉन R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. ये थोड़ा बड़ा बन सकता है प्रॉब्लम, तो ऐसे ही यहाँ पे करना है. 4 12 6. So 4 into 12 into 6 upon 4 into 12 48 plus 12 into 6 72 plus 4 into 6 24. तो ये कितना आएगा बेटा? R equivalent will be 4 plus X ऐसे रहेगा बेटा, प्लस ये कितना आएगा? 24 into 12. 24 into 12. So 12 4s are 48. 4 carry 12 to the 24 plus 4 28 upon this 144. तो ये बन जाएगा सॉरी 2 बन, हाँ ये डबल हो गया। तो ये कैसे बन गया R इक्वल टू बी 4 प्लस एक्स प्लस 2 मतलब कितना हो गया 6 प्लस एक्स R इक्वल। Now I is with you, V is with you, and R equivalent is there. So V is equal to I R. So V is equal to I into R equivalent. So V कितना है बेटा 8 is equal to I 0.5 into 6 plus x. So 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So 8 to the 16 is equal to 6 plus x. So x will be 16 minus 6, that is 10 ohm. So this is the value of unknown resistance x. I will suggest you to go through this all so that you will be able to understand what is that. Okay, do that. Pause the video, rewind it, and when you are doing that, do it. Okay, we'll go for next important thing. इंपॉर्टेंट 3 एक सर्किट है 2, 10, 2.5, 3.5, 4. There are 4 resistors. 2, 10, 2 ohm, 10 ohm, 2.5 ohm, 3.5 ohm, and 4 ohm. And AB is given here. And question is calculate equivalent resistance. Calculate equivalent resistance between A and B. Calculate equivalent resistance between A and B. Okay. Now see A B के बीच में कौन है ये 4 ओम है 1 मिनट क्लोज कर सकते. So the same circuit I can rearrange. How to rearrange? Directly write AB like this 4 ohm. Now ऊपर वाला बेटा कौन कौन है? They both are in series 2 and 10. This is 2 ohm. This is 10 ohm. This is B. And downside it is 3.5, 2.5. So here 3.5 and here 2.5. Now it is very easy, है ना? It's very easy to calculate. So it is 2, 10 ohm, 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 ohm. So this will be 2 plus 10. So 12 ohm. This will be 4 ohm. And this will be 3 plus 2, 5, 6. So this will be 6 ohm. So for AB, how I will write? RAB will be 12 into 4 into 6 upon 12 into 4 plus 4 into 6 plus 12 into 6. If this is becoming difficult, directly you can write 1 by R equivalent will be 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Now what you have to do? Make it 12. So I will write 12. So for 12 1 is 12, so 1 plus 4 3s are 12, 3, 6 2s are 12, 2. ये simple हो जाएगा. So 6 by 12. So that is 2, 1 by 2. 1 by R equivalent 1 by 2. तो R equivalent कितना हो जाएगा? R equivalent 2. यहाँ से भी वही आएगा. 48 into 6 upon 48 plus 24 plus 72 है ना. So 24 I can take from direct I can take. Oh sorry. हाँ ये 2 ही है 2 होगा. So answer will be 2 ohm. So I hope you have understood whatever the problem I have shown. Okay. Now there is one more combination. Okay. First of all, I will suggest you to note this down. Now we'll solve next important 4. Important 4. इसके बाद में लास्टली आपको मैं स्टार डेल्टा वगैरह सिखाऊंगा बिकॉज दैट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू इन योर 12th में उसका यूज होता है स्टार एंड डेल्टा. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में ऐसा नहीं है, सब जगह पे उसका यूज होता है. सो दैट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स. आई विल इंपॉर्टेंट 4 सर्किट कैसे दिया है. 2 एक रो. हाँ मतलब एक ऐसा इसका बन गया ए और इसको और एक ए जोड़. ना यहाँ पे A, यहाँ पे B, and they are telling to calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. 1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 correct. 1 2 2 1 1. Now there is no problem. As if they are looking connected like this, there is no problem. Let me tell you how to deal with that. Let me show you. Very sorry. बेटा पहले तो अगर इसको किसी ने बाजू इधर उधर कुछ कनेक्ट नहीं किया तो डायरेक्टली इसी को हम स्ट्रेट भी लिख सकते हैं. कैसे लिख सकते हैं देखो. ये A बन गया. A के बाद में ये 1 ओम आ गया. उसके बाद में ये 1 ओम आ गया. एक चेंज नहीं था और इसको ऊपर से लिखने का. ये इसको ऊपर से 2 2 बन गया. ये इधर फिर से 1 आ गया. ये बीच में ये आ गया. बाद में फिर से 1. ये रिपीट कर रहे हैं. सर्किट रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हो गया. और यहाँ पे इसके बाद में यहाँ पे और 2 कनेक्ट करो इसको. हो गया. और ये B आ गया. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितना आएगा. आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू जस्ट डू ऑन योर ओन. दिस इज 1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 1. तो ये 2 2 कितना हो जाएगा. 2 2 4 4 पैरेलल. तो ये बन जाएगा 4 पैरेलल 1. एंड दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम 2 + 2 4 4 पैरेलल 1. तो ये 1 ये 1 ये 1 ये 1 है ना. तो कितना हो गया 1 2 3 4. ये रिमेनिंग का बन गया 4 4 पैरेलल 1 दैट इज R1 R2 अपॉन R1 प्लस R2. तो 4 into 1 अपॉन 4 plus 1 4 upon 5. ये कितने टाइम 2 टाइम. So 2 multiplied by 4 by 5. So 8 by 5. So 4 plus 8 by 5. 4 5 are 20 plus 8 28 by 5. So this will become the resistance. Okay, equivalent. So this is very interesting and very easy also. So I hope you have understood that. Okay. और भी कुछ है तो वो भी हम करते हैं. और one more problem we will solve. Before that I will suggest you to note this down. So next we will go for next problem, one more problem I will give you. In that problem, the problem is three identical resistors are connected in parallel. IMP 5. Three identical resistors are connected in parallel as shown in the figure. So I will write as shown. What happens to the ammeter reading A1 A2 when R3 is removed? What happens to A1 and A2 readings if R3 is removed? If R3 is removed. Let me draw the circuit. A1, A2, R1, R2, R3. ठीक. A1, A2, this is R1, R2, and this is R3. First of all, we have to understand what is the work of A1. A1 will read current through R1, means I. So let me call that current to be I1. Now red color से मैं जो लिख रहा हूँ वो क्वेश्चन में नहीं है, मैंने उसको किया है. ओके, सो डू दैट. A2 say A2 reads current through R2. I mean name that to be I2, है ना? R1 is a resistor, R2 and R3 is a resistor. This is V, and total current will be R, है ना? Now I3 will be current through R3. Now before removing R3 क्या हो जाएगा? ये सब आपको लिख के भी देखो, मतलब that will be there as a notes with you, है ना? So before removing R3, what will happen? I3 will not be 0. So ये तो करंट है, हाँ, ये करंट क्या हो जाएगा? R1, R2 and R3 उनका पैरेलल. So you have to know that in parallel the equivalent resistance decreases. तो I3 0 नहीं हो जाएगा. Also R equivalent will be less, क्योंकि R3 उसमें ऐड हो गया. जितना हम रेजिस्टेंस ऐड करते जाएंगे पैरेलल में, उसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस दैट विल बी डिक्रीज. नाउ आफ्टर रिमूविंग R3 को रिमूव करने के बाद फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I3 विल बिकम 0. Afterwards, R equivalent will increase than original value. हाँ, मतलब क्या? इसको रिमूव करने से पहले ये भी था सर्किट में, तो यहाँ सर्किट में रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा था, सॉरी कम था. पैरेलल में जितना रेजिस्टेंस उसको देते जाओगे पैरेलल में 1 2 3 4 उतना रेजिस्टेंस कम होते जाएगा. तो अगर रेजिस्टेंस कम है तो करंट ज़्यादा होगा. तो यहाँ पे करंट ऑफ कोर्स ये करंट सपोज ये आई है और नाउ आई डैश विल बी क्या करेगा, यहाँ पे कम था रेजिस्टेंस, इसको निकालने के बाद वो बढ़ गया, ये दोनों ही पैरेलल में आएंगे। इसका एग्जांपल देता हूँ, सपोज मैंने लिया 1 ओम, ये 2 ओम और ये 3 ओम। अब इसका निकालो, 1 into 2 into 3 upon 1 into 2 2 into 3 6 1 into 3 3, कितना आ गया 6 upon 11 6/3। अभी इसको अगर मैंने रिमूव किया कितना आएगा 1 पैरेलल 2 2 1 2 upon 2 plus 1 3। now 6/11 and 2/3 which is more, 6/11 कितना आएगा 0.55, 2/3 0.6, रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ गया तो करंट कम हो जाएगा, तो इन टोटल आई कम हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये A1 A2 का रीडिंग चेंज हो जाएगा। नाउ इट इज अप टू यू टू फाइंड आउट वेदर द A1 एंड A2 रीडिंग विल इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज। आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू एवरीथिंग, सो यू ट्राई टू फाइंड द आंसर। सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू नोट दिस डाउन। Okay beta, so in this way we have tried a lot to get the idea of resistors, their series, their parallel, also the equivalent resistance. So dear students, I will try to give you more and more practice of the problems. I am having some books also with me. And then we will be discussing in the doubt session for those. Okay, so as your IIT Foundation exam is considered, I will be expecting from you to solve the problems regarding to what, Ohm's law. So Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, ये formula। देन हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो मैंने कल पढ़ाया, I2RT और H is equal to VRT। इसके बाद में पावर P is equal to VI। इसके दो फॉर्मूला आते हैं, एक अगर मैंने V को IR डाला तो एक आएगा P is equal to I2R, सेकंड विल बिकम I को मैंने V अपॉन R डाला तो P is equal to V² अपॉन R, ये भी आएगा। उसके बाद में बाकी कुछ नहीं है, यही सब है। सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4, नंबर 5, all these problems, okay, how to solve. Then what you do, series, parallel and mixed grouping of resistors. Then epsilon, small r and V, EMF, internal resistance and terminal. Okay, on this you have to get the practice for the problems. So I hope you have understood whatever I have tried to teach you. Next lecture also I will try to give you extra idea, some small extra lectures with the permission of your class teacher. I will try to send those lectures. Yesterday also I told you I am in that process. So next week we will start with new topic, that is your magnetic effect of electric current, and which is very important as your science point of view. Science score, if you want to increase, then you must be getting out of out mark in physics also. That is for board I am telling. And magnetic effect is very important as physics point of view. So next lecture we will be starting with that. In between I will be taking your practice. So till that, stay home, stay safe and stay tuned with physics. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.